So I won't read this whole thing out because that would be really boring for you, but this is what one person was saying in the survey. So we asked them, oh, is open science, are you interested in it? Is it something that you care about? And there was kind of this, we just did a content analysis, we've not yet done, we haven't done anything kind of richer than that. But quite a few people in this sample were talking about, like, I kind of get open science, like I get the moral case for it, but currently it is not yet practiced with things like kindness. A few people talk about compassion. There are people online who are horrible to researchers, and there was this really throughout the data, there were all kinds of people who were talking about how open science spaces have kind of been derailed with this hostility and abrasiveness, which creates a real barrier for engagement. And I think that, considering if you're then coming from a feminist point of view, and you know that feminist research is typically viewed as less scientific, and there's been all kinds of cases, particularly on academic Twitter recently, around research that comes from feminist epistemology being kind of heavily scrutinized and criticized, then I think that these kind of issues should be taken really seriously by open science. And I also think that there's this, can you read that?